This hate for rich people can get pretty random at times. And one of the stock arguments of people who hate on rich people or rich people kids is that they don't do enough for society, and that's why I hate this person. And there are so many things that are wrong with this statement alone. One, let me get to the second point first, and that is the second point is, how do you know? How do you know that they are not doing enough for society? That they are not donating enough of their own hard earned money to charity? A Shah Rukh Khan or an Ambani, like they may have a partnership with an NGO, and maybe they are writing them checks every week, every month. It's not like, if you really want to know, maybe file an RTI. It's not like they would post on Twitter for you to know. I wrote a check of so and so amount, these many thousands or lakhs for this charity. Please send me congratulatory messages. They won't do that. Even if they want to do that, even if some celebrity wants to do it for, I don't know, this new fancy phrase, virtue signaling, you would troll the shit out of them. So you would troll them if they tell you that they do donate to charities. You would troll them when they do not tell you that they donate to charities. Like, there is no winning. But that's beside the point. Like, why would they tell you, right? So that was two. Now let me come back to one. It's their damn money. Have you considered that? Have you considered the simple consideration that they are entitled to use their own money whichever way they want to? They're not ethically obligated to donate. I mean, you might say, okay, I wish this person is so rich. I wish that this person could have donated some money to poor people. Okay, that's a fair statement. But to say you hate them for that, okay, dude, listen. You are someone. These people who are trolling these rich people for this specific gripe. You have rag collectors, kabadi walas that come at your doorstep, and you sell them old newspapers and all that useless trash you have collected over the past few months, and you get money out of that rag collector, and you are infinitely more rich than that person, and still you are collecting money out of him. Am I judging you for that? No, we do the same. That's not even the point. It's not unethical. It's your money, it's your trash. You want to make money out of that? Why not? This is not to say that I'm defending someone who does not donate to charity, or maybe I am. Maybe I am defending someone who does not donate to charities because it's their freaking money. And why would they? Why should they? The point is, I'm so bored, I'm so tired of watching all this hate for rich people only and only because they are rich. That's it. And if they are making mistakes like the rest of us do, we make mistakes, right? The amount of trolling, the smearing, the vicious trolling that these people endure, it's unimaginable. And I don't know, this concept that we have in our heads that because they are rich they are thick skinned, things do not affect them. You say any damn thing you please to them, 1,000 people screaming into their face, and it won't matter to them. A 16-year-old Ambani kid about 4 or 5 years ago, he gave a speech. In the audience were the who and who of Bollywood, of politics, and everybody. Amitabh Bachchan and some giants of their respective industries. And this kid, he was probably suffering through, going through some speech issues. I don't know. So he gave a speech that was not fluent, or to put it more bluntly, it was funny watching him speak, watching him give that speech. He memorized that speech and he delivered. His delivery was not not very pleasing. Okay, we laughed. If I'm sitting with a friend, I would say, "कैसे बोल रहा है ये?" But we made it a point. We made it a point that every single one of us trolls. We get our mock, our jokes, our memes to that 16-year-old person. We scream into the face of that 16-year-old kid and tell him, dude, why? You're such a miserable public speaker. Why did you even get on that stage and speak? You rich fucking kid. You do not deserve this. You do not deserve to be so rich. You do not deserve to be born in this rich family because you can't speak well. And there was a range of opinions we saw. Some were more subtle. Some were just making fun of how he speaks, but then they were very very vicious within that trolling. And some were questioning his upbringing. Some were making fun of his mother. Some were making fun of his father. I was just thinking, and because he's a rich kid, he knows, because media picks everything up and they publish everything, every single troll, every single tweet that mocks him, that person gets to read it. And I was just thinking, how does it affect a 16-year-old? How does it affect his confidence? I mean, they can have some counselors, some shrinks for their kids and everything. But why should they need one? And how would counselors help, really? When, as a 16-year-old, I open a newspaper, I open my laptop, and I see a barrage of jokes on me, memes, headlines, and everybody is mocking me and passing these comments, these brutal jokes being made on me, all because I'm rich and I deserve to be hated.